In this video, I'm going to show you how to get dark mode on TikTok. So first way to do it is that you actually turn on dark mode on your phone. So on your iPhone, you can just go here and turn on dark mode and TikTok will be in dark mode as you can see. If I didn't have dark mode on, it would have this light effect. But if you don't want to do that, go to the top right on these three lines, click on settings and privacy, then scroll until you see display. It's under content and display, the third option from below. Click on display and then you can use device settings, or you can always have it set to light or dark. So even though my device is in dark mode, TikTok is not in dark mode because I'm not using my device settings, as you can see. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you out, leave a comment, like and subscribe.